Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I'm excited to read a special story written by my friend Dr.Z. This book is perfect for children and parents and was written to spark connection, understanding, and meaningful conversations. So, let's get started. Mom Gets Scared Too. One rainy afternoon, Sarah curled up next to her mom. "Mom," she whispered, "I'm really scared about the storm that hit our town. What if it happens again?" Mom wrapped her arms around Sarah. "I hear you, sweetie. Mom gets scared too." Sarah's eyes got big. "You get scared? But you always know what to do." Mom nodded. "Even grown-ups feel scared sometimes. When the storm came, I worried too. About our house, about you, and everyone else. But I also know that it's okay to be scared," Mom said. "It's a way our heart tells us to pay attention, and that's a good thing." "So what do you do when you're scared?" Sarah asked. "I breathe really slow," Mom said, showing Sarah. She took a deep breath in, and she blew it out softly, like a breeze through the trees. "I talk about how I feel, just like you did with me. That way, the scary feelings don't feel so big inside." And sometimes, Mom added, "I remind myself of all the helpers, like the firefighters and the neighbors who look out for each other." "So it's okay if you feel scared," Mom whispered. "We'll always face these feelings together." Sarah snuggled closer. "I feel a little better now. Thank you for listening, Mom." "Always, my love," Mom whispered. "No matter what, we'll figure it out together." Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time for the next story. Until then, take care.